Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Quick update only about the Natgas chart. We continue to have only 3 waves up on this chart. No surprises really. We had obviously this wave 4 correction or a larger correction, at least a local downtrend. I mean, that's what it is. It's a local downtrend, whether it's white wave 4 or wave 5 in yellow. We don't know that at this stage. What needs to happen to suggest the white wave count is leading is we need to see a break above this descending trend line, I'd say minimally. And then we can talk about whether the 5th wave to the upside here has started. Why do we need 5 waves? Well, because only if we get this 5-wave move to the upside completed, we have a confirmation that a substantial low has formed, and then I can call that a wave 1, and we can add a support area for a wave 2 pullback onto the chart, and then from there, obviously we can go much higher. But I really need that 5-wave move up to suggest really and confirm that in February a lasting low has been established. So the market, to me, it hasn't proven anything. Hasn't proven anything because it's only a 3-wave move up. And we haven't even made a significantly higher high compared to the January high or the October high around $3.60, $3.70, which is why I continue to be cautious, not necessarily bearish, but the overall trend is down on this chart, especially looking at where we come from. I mean, it's quite a substantial downtrend here that happened, okay, and then especially here since 2022, since that top. I mean, it's a downtrend. We have not yet turned it around. And how can we do that? Only with a 5-wave move to the upside. But I need to see it first. Now, there are some parameters that need to be respected for that 5-wave move. For example, the price shouldn't, in this pullback, break below $2.06. Why? Because, I mean, at best, this is a diagonal pattern anyway. It's not an impulse. So we could then, we need to turn around here before breaking below $2.06 to keep the idea alive that this could be a diagonal pattern. But any break below $2.06 will make it more likely that we are moving down in wave 5 in yellow. All right, so it's very simple. The trend is down, okay? The trend is down from the June high, and we're just simply following the trend. On this way down, we've been constantly looking for lower. Here, we were looking for a small bounce. It was quite weak, actually, into the resistance area. Resistance was respected. I can take it from the chart now. And we continue to move down. And unless I now see a reaction to the $2.06 level, or just above that, well, we might break support, and then it's more clearly the yellow wave count for one more low. Of course, there are always things that could happen in between, but this would be the let's say the reasonable interpretation. So I would pay attention to the trend line here and the last swing high at $2.43. But against that, the focus could be still on further downside. Just be aware that the $2.06 level could generate a reaction to the upside. And I mean, if we zoom out a little bit, you can see that the last move down here from the October high was a 3-wave move down. That indicates we might be here in a larger diagonal pattern. In the yellow count, if we get another low, and therefore also here, this should be an A, B, C structure, which indicates that if we get another low here and we form a low somewhere, we might just form a corrective rally and then break down. So the $2.06 level could be some kind of support anyway. Okay, what if we break below $2.06? Do we have to make another low? No, but I will take the 5-wave move off the chart. It can always turn into a larger 3-wave move, but it doesn't make it a great setup, okay? So there's nothing really clear then from an Elliott wave point of view. We want the 5 waves, or the trend is still down, technically speaking. And the trend is down in the short term anyway. So don't get too excited too early. I know a lot of people already got bullish because we had this rally, but I told you the market hasn't proven anything until we get 5 waves up. And there are some levels to watch. There's a trend line to watch. We've got everything here on the chart, but the trend is still down locally. Pay attention to $2.06. That's my update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.